everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 6th to the 10th of March 2023 on Monday. Zodwa's apology takes an unexpected turn. Nyeleng learns something shocking about Zibuko. Teddy tried to cheer up his mother on Tuesday. Bongani smells alcohol on Zodwa's breath. Sonto won't allow Pretty to hire a nanny. Miss Hlungwane and Bokang share painful stories. Teddy sweeps Tshiamo off her feet for their 2-week anniversary on Wednesday. Teddy admits to Zodwa that he and Tshiamo are in a relationship and there is nothing she can do about it on Thursday. Mazette insists that they return the tools. Teddy is confronted by Tshiamo about Zodwa's drinking. Nkosinati worries about the effect Zodwa might have on the kids, and he thinks he should perhaps stop him. On Friday, Nabe want to shut down a Mulefe business over theft allegations. Sibongile offends Tshiamo during a meeting at school. Tshiamo refuses to prioritize a relationship over her future. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.